Okay, here we have my paint, which actually is blue color detection. And I want to start with my test H. Here I have a lot of predefined functions, which are actually well, I will be no, I won't be using any of these. Then I have down here, I have my function called for color detection thing, which it's called now, but it detects blue. And then I have my bit grabber, which is the initial bit grabber, which will grab the video. Then I have my texture with video texture and video texture 2, which will be the original image and the image detecting blue. Now to my main function, I have a double for loop here, which will run through each pixel, and I explained before that this works by doing, I can just illustrate it. If this is our image, it will run through each y-axis, and then we go all the way to the right of the x-axis to max. Then we'll go down 1 on the y-axis plus y, and then we'll go all the way, and then 1 down and all the way to the right, and 1 down and all the way to the right. That's how double for loop works. And inside this double for loop, for each pixel, I'll get the red value, the green value, and the blue value. And you could run a third for loop with, for example, C, like this, for int C equals 0, C is smaller than 3, take C++, take C and add 1. This for loop would do that, it would do 1 for each color, so each pixel, which I have down here, xxx, 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 xxx. So in my picture it will run this pixel with these two, and then this for loop will run this pixel 3 times for each color, and then the next pixel and the next pixel. Instead of doing that, I'm using a double for loop. And I could just here, I could plus with C instead of, if I had the third for loop, I could plus with C, but instead I'm just plusing 0, 2 and 1 for red, green and blue. Then I have an if statement down here that checks if blue is bigger than green plus 50 and blue is bigger than red plus 50, set the value to 255, else set the value to 0. And what this will do is that if the value is bigger than if this is true, set it to black, else set it to white, which will then detect the blue for me. Down here I have my width and my height of the image. Next, I don't use the next in this particular instance. I have some brightness, which I don't use either. Then I have video output 2. These are the same as video output and video output 2, I just don't use them in this example. Where here video output 2 is W times H and video output is W times H times 3 for color images. And in here I have my function call of the color detection. Webcam actually doesn't work. Oh, I have my draw down here where you can see I'm drawing all of the different graphs. I'm setting the X color, then I'm at the original red grabber, with texture, and red grabber with texture too. What this actually will do is detect blue. I can't test it right now because my webcam on this computer is broken. When I wrote this code, I had a webcam borrowed from the school, but I had to deliver it back. So I can't show you the test, but you have the code, so you can try it out. Yes, that was it for me. Thank you. Oops.